Alright, hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Our Green Acres. I gotta get my 100-hour service done on my tractor, the John Deere 5045e. I got two filters. I got an oil filter and a hydraulic filter that has to be replaced. And it holds 9 quarts of oil, and I'm gonna hit I think 8 grease fittings, but it shouldn't take me long. I'm just gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to do this. Alright, here's where most of the business is going to take place. I had to raise the hood because the hood was down over the oil field, but this is where the oil is going to go in. The dipstick on this tractor is right here. It's kind of awkward to get to, but that's one of my complaints I have about my tractors. It's kind of difficult to get to that. But other than that, I really like it. Oil filter is right here. I've already got I bought this filter inch yesterday because I didn't have anything. This oil filter is about 5 inches across. Actually, this one's 4. The hydraulic filter is larger. I already got the tractor. I've run it, warmed it up, got it up to make the oil flow better. All right, there goes the oil. Guess y'all heard that washer hit the bottom of the bucket. I guess that's something I'm going to need when I put this back on. Hey, we got something. I was about to throw my new handy dandy filter wrench away. Still ain't loving it. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this is what the filter I got. It's a John Deere. It's a RE519626. That's what they gave me at John Deere. I thought, okay, good to go. Now, the one I just took off the tractor, I don't know if you can see that. It's a RE518977, I think is what it is. So I got a little concerned, but I went and looked it up on the internet on John Deere, and I don't know, it calls for the filter I have to replace it with, so I don't know why it comes from the factory with a different filter, but something you might need to know, save you a little heartache. I was a little concerned there for a minute since it's a holiday and my tractor's here with no oil in it. I dinged up my other filter. I'm not putting a lot of pressure here. I'm just trying to snug it up real good. Alright, oil filter's on. It's kind of difficult to see under here, but this is the hydraulic filter I was telling you about. So I gotta get that off. I don't even know how. A lot of stuff in the way. I'm gonna try to get that little filter wrench on it, see if I can move. Okay. Finally, after many struggles, I got that old filter off. Go ahead and get the new one on, stop the leaking. Okay, I've got the oil back in. I put the plug in, put the oil in. Took forever to get the hydraulic filter off, but I got it. And now I'm going to check the oil before I start it back up. You can see that it's right there at the full mark. So what I'll do is I'll start it up, and then as it fills the filter up and everything, she'll check it again. Alright, you can see I need to add just a little bit. I didn't put the complete 9 quarts in here just in case something was different. Alright, so this completes my $100 service on my tractor. I got the oil filter changed, the oil and the hydraulic filter changed, so good to go. Now we can get to work with that new splitter. But like always, if you like the videos, please like, subscribe, look us up on Facebook. Don't forget to click the notification icon so you get updates whenever we put out new videos. But I'll catch you on the next one.